All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And I normally am around 2.9 to 3 gigahash, and currently you'll notice I'm down. I actually had a bunch of spikes and jumps today, and it looked like this is the rig in question that's been fighting me all day long. So I don't know why. I just restarted it. It'll come online, all the cards start to get power, and then it goes back offline. Leads me to believe there's potentially maybe a power or plug or something. I don't know. Let's go down in there and check it out though. This is the first thing I like to do. Go down there, give it the old smell test, put my nose on it, and make sure all the wires are still connected and not burnt up or anything like that. It did get a little hot today. Probably one of the hottest days so far this year. I think it got up to like 96 or 97 Fahrenheit outside. I did have the garage doors cracked, well, open, but at one point my uncle came by and he actually closed one of the garage doors, so it closed off pretty much all fresh air, and I think we superheated and may have created a little issue. Alright, so this is the rig right here. Actually, it looks like it's running right now. There's all the plugs. Let me see if I have another breakout board I can throw on there. Found a brand new one. I'm gonna unplug that one, swap all the plugs, and plug this one in. Alrighty, I did some sweating in there. Okay, so to recap, I thought originally it was a breakout board because that breakout board had like a burned spot on it. Don't know why. So I put another breakout board on it, and then it wouldn't power up, like the power supply is dead. I'm like, what in the world? So let me try another breakout board. Tried another breakout board, still didn't work. So I'm like, what the heck? So I pulled that power supply out, and it was a 1200 watt server, platinum, HP power supply, good power supply. Might have got too hot, they started doing weird stuff. I replaced it with two 750 watt servers because I don't have another 1200 to replace it with temporarily, and plugged everything in, and everything fired up, and it seems to be running. So I'm booting it up now. Man, it is hot in there. Wish me luck. All right guys, it seems to be back up and running and pretty much getting full hash. I do notice that 5700 up there, memory is at 92, and then I have a 6600 with memory at 90. So a little warm, but considering the fact that it is a like fiery dungeon in there, not the end of the world. And also they're on like tight motherboards, but yeah, so I guess I had a 1200 watt server power supply die. That has been my first 1200 watt die that I can recall, and I've been running those for well over 3 to 4 years now. I don't know about that exact unit that died, but I do know, yeah, it's odd. So I'm gonna keep an eye out on this bad boy and see if she's, you know, good to go for a little while. But other than that, hopefully that can help you with some little bit of diagnostic stuff on your end. If you have the weird part about it was that power supply was still powering up and powering off and back on, but it wasn't providing good enough good enough power, I guess, through it. And now recalling back, it was only putting out like 11.8 volts instead of the full 12 volts on the rail. So I don't know if that had anything to do with it or not, but yeah, odd, very, very odd. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This is Brandon on Brandon Coin, and we will see you on the next one. Adios.